going to be making ooblek, a mixture of water and cornstarch.
I think it's a school gas actually.
We've got to say it together. The liquid we're making is a non-Newtonian liquid. This means the viscosity can change. Viscosity is the rate at which a liquid flows.
So, for example, if you put your hand in the bath, the liquid flows around it. If you punch it really fast, then the particles of cornstarch won't have time to move, so it feels really hard.
If you punch it really slow, the particles of cornstarch will have time to move and your hand will sink through. To make this experiment, you need to add 400 grams of cornstarch and 200 milliliters of
We'll be making, and this is how you make it. So this is the cornstarch. As you can see, the cornstarch has double as much as the water. So this is what the cornstarch looks like now that we've mixed it. Now we're going to add some of this food coloring, okay?
That's a really good example.